Hello, this is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City. I recently did our March 2014 market update about how great real estate is in the Oklahoma City market. And I want to go over again some of the reasons why. First of all, we didn't melt down in Oklahoma. In 2008, we had a recession here, maybe a 5% sell-off, 10% in some areas, but not the 80% you saw in the rest of the country. So we held our values. We have values that you believe in. Our economy was rock solid. And so there weren't those things that happened in other markets or a bubble that happened in other markets that caused us to really have a meltdown to try to come back from. So we set a solid base. Now, the economy has kept growing, and the reasons why it has kept growing is a couple of factors, one of which is the energy industry. Right now, we have the largest independents in the world when it comes to oil and gas. One of our companies, Continental Resources, is the main company in North Dakota doing the hydraulic fracturing in shale to get oil and natural gas extracted. This is bringing in a tremendous amount of money into the state. It is an agricultural state, and right now, agricultural products, ethanol production, all these things kind of work together in Oklahoma's favor, and certainly in Oklahoma City, which is also the state capital. And speaking of reports from the state capital, we just got a report from our state treasurer. And what he is doing is looking at our tax revenues and comparing them to the previous month and the previous year. Well, what's simply happened in the last 4 years in Oklahoma City? 48 months of reporting by the treasurer. Our revenues, 41 out of the 48 months, has gone up, and in most cases set records. And so money is coming into the public sector because of retail, because of natural gas, because of oil, because a lot of factors in our economy are extremely strong. So Oklahoma City, the state capital of Oklahoma, home to major energy companies, home to the military and the largest Air Force base in the world in terms of repair bases, and a lot more than that is causing this market to be incredibly strong. Now, the good news about this kind of a market is that we're not a boom and bust market. And so, it's going to gradually increase, but I'm looking at the values in 2014. I'm looking at the houses that you can buy right now, and they're exceptional. Even though our market is getting better, even though our economy is strong, even though prices are rising, this is still an incredibly affordable market and a good place to buy real estate if you are an owner-occupant, but an outstanding place to buy if you're an investor. So the Oklahoma City market is strong because the economy is strong. Houses are selling. They're selling at a rapid rate. Our inventory is low. This is a good time to get into the Oklahoma City market. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk about why we are, though, going to see an increase of inventory for homes for sale on the market in the next 3 months. This is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, where we deliver traditional real estate values at the speed of technology.